Today I'm reviewing the Barbie Cutie Reveal doll, Care Bears series, and this one features the sweet and cozy Share Bear costume with 10 surprises inside. Barbie comes dressed in a full plush Share Bear suit, and it's super soft and colorful, with those classic Care Bear details. When you remove the costume, you reveal a posable Barbie doll with purple streaked hair and a themed outfit underneath that matches the Care Bear vibe. Inside the surprise compartments, you'll find fashion pieces, accessories, a mini bear pet, and even color change features. Just use icy water to reveal makeup on Barbie's face and a fun design on her pet. It adds an extra layer of magic that kids absolutely love. The plush costume doubles as mix and match fashion, a fuzzy jacket and skirt, so there's a ton of dress up and imaginative play built into the whole experience. It's soft, creative, and fun from start to finish. If you're looking for a gift that's cute, collectible, and full of surprises, Barbie Cutie Reveal Share Bear is a great choice.